Hello, thank you for joining me again today, and I wanted to show you two different permutations, I might say, of dust collection systems. This is my older one, and it works fine, but it's just heavy and huge, and it kind of gets in the way of other things that I want to do. So I want to show you something that I did to make a better system that works just as well but doesn't take up as much space. This one is using a Home Depot air vent that you can buy in the sheet metal area, and you can see I made a box in the back, and here I made a little adaptation using some plastic ware from the 99-cent store, a big block of wood to hold it up, and my air duct plugs right into the back of this. So that works, it does a good job, but here's, I hope, a newer and better system that I have to show you. We are looking behind my lathe area, and these are just the studs in my garage. And keep in mind as you watch some of the stuff I'm doing here, this is COVID-19 lockdown. I can't go to the hardware store, so I feel like one of those astronauts in Apollo 13 grabbing any junk I can get my hands on and trying to wolf together something that'll work for me. And so what I did here is I took a piece of wood and cut it in half, and I made this arm with a joint here, on this side a large wing nut. In here I have a bolt going through the 2x4 and a knob here where I can tighten it at any height, and I can lift it up like this, tighten it in, tighten it in. Now my next problem was, how do I connect this duct to this piece of wood? So what I did is I cut a slot in here, and you can see on this side of the duct I drilled a hole through a piece of wood vertically this way, and another coming through at 90 degrees this way, two more. And in these holes I put some bolts. This one here I super glued in place. This one has a wing nut on it, and you can see it slides into here, and then as it slides into here I can lock it into place, and then it's right next to my lathe where it needs to be. I'll take a look and show you. You can see here I'm locked in right where I need to be when I'm working with my tool, and right next to my setup here I have a Wi-Fi switch where I can turn this on. And then I got my vacuum collecting right from this point. When I'm done, I simply have to loosen this one wing nut and pull this out. I can set this hose away and then break this loose, drop this down, and then go ahead and just take my whole setup and push it back and away, and I'm good to go. Thank you for watching.